Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. And every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world. From hidden histories to global game changers, you're watching World Explorer Mind WEM. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to join our community. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Let me introduce you to the incredible health benefits of a truly special product, morning powder. This nutrient-dense powder is like a multivitamin from nature, carefully crafted to provide you with essential vitamins and minerals that support various bodily functions and promote overall well-being. Let's delve into the amazing advantages that await you when you incorporate this product into your daily routine. 1. Energy and vitality. Feeling sluggish or drained? Morning powder can help boost your energy levels and restore your vitality. It's rich in B vitamins, which are essential for energy production. These vitamins help convert food into fuel, keeping you active and reducing feelings of fatigue. Say goodbye to sluggish mornings and hello to a more vibrant, energetic you. 2. Immune support. Maintaining a strong immune system is crucial for good health. Morning powder is packed with vitamin C, zinc, and other immune-boosting nutrients that help strengthen your body's natural defenses. These vitamins and minerals support the immune system's function, helping to protect you against illness and infections. Stay healthy and feel your best with this immune-supporting powerhouse. 3. Digestion and gut health. Are you experiencing digestive issues or gut discomfort? Morning powder contains digestive enzymes and probiotics that aid in digestion and support gut health. These enzymes help break down food, allowing for better nutrient absorption, while the probiotics promote a healthy gut microbiome. Enjoy improved digestion and a happier gut with this nourishing blend. 4. Skin health and beauty. Want to achieve radiant skin and an overall youthful appearance? Morning powder is rich in antioxidants and vitamins like vitamin C and E, which support skin health and protect against environmental damage. These antioxidants help reduce signs of aging, such as wrinkles and age spots, revealing a brighter, more radiant complexion. Embrace a natural beauty regimen with this skin-nourishing powder. 5. Brain function and memory. Concerned about brain health and memory? Morning powder includes neuroprotective ingredients that support optimal brain function and memory. These ingredients help improve cognitive performance and protect against cognitive decline. Stay sharp and focused with this brain-boosting powder. 6. Stress management. Life getting a bit too stressful? Morning powder contains adaptogenic herbs and calming ingredients that help the body adapt to stress and promote relaxation. These ingredients support the body's stress response system, helping you find balance and tranquility amidst the chaos. Find your calm with this soothing powder. 7. Weight management. On a weight loss journey? Morning powder can be a valuable ally. It helps boost your metabolism, support appetite control, and provide a sense of fullness, aiding in weight management goals. Incorporate this metabolism-boosting powder into your fitness regimen for an extra edge. 8. Detoxification. Looking to support your body's natural detoxification processes? Morning powder includes ingredients that aid in detoxification, helping to eliminate harmful toxins and pollutants from the body. These ingredients support the body's natural detoxification pathways, promoting overall health and vitality. 9. Athletic performance. An active lifestyle. Morning powder can help enhance your athletic performance and recovery. It provides essential nutrients that support muscle function, endurance, and post-workout recovery. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a fitness enthusiast, this powder can help you push your limits. 10. Longevity and anti-aging. Hoping to live a longer, healthier life? Morning powder supports longevity and healthy aging. Its powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory ingredients help protect against cellular damage, promoting longevity and preserving youthful vitality. Embrace a more vibrant and extended chapter of your life with this age-defying powder. In conclusion, morning powder is a true gift from nature, offering a myriad of health benefits from boosting your energy to supporting weight management, athletic performance, and healthy aging. This nutrient-dense powder has something for everyone. Start your day with a dose of vitality and embrace a healthier, more energetic you. Thank you for watching today's video. If you've been inspired by the incredible benefits of morning powder and ready to embark on a journey towards better health and well-being, we encourage you to try this amazing product. Get started and experience the transformative power of morning powder. Your path to a healthier, more vibrant you begins today. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before adding to your diet. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one more stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.